Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on scientific notation worksheets. So this video gives us a worksheet with 10 examples where we have to write each of these numbers in scientific notation or standard form. If you're not sure how to proceed, there is a video on this very topic. And if you go to the last slide and click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So what I'll do, I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so. You can pause it for as long as you like. After that, I'll move on to the next slide, which has the answers. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide down. Here it is. So these are the answers now, so you can look at them carefully and see how you went. I'll leave it on for about a minute or so before I move on to the last slide. I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.